We have a Bullard 42-inch vertical boring mill, model CUTMASTER, serial number 26864. This machine was new in 1952. It has a 4-jaw independent chuck. We have the jaws somewhere else, a turret, and a side head. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has up to 150 RPM. It's a 20 speed chuck. He shifted, we're going a different speed. We're going to do it again. All right. Machine has a really nice rail. Right now we are feeding in the other direction. Rapid traverse in the other direction of the turret. Again, I want you to note the flaking on the rail. There's the turret coming up and down. Rapid, which we also showed it feed. He's feeding the side head. Feeding the side head the other direction. Feeding the side head up and down. Rapid traverse of the side head up, rapid traverse down. Go up and then bring it in. Yep. Rapiding the side head in. And again, all the ways are very nice condition. You're going to do the whole rail up and down elevation. Right now we're feeding the rail up or elevating the rail up. Okay, bringing the rail down. All right. Let's just do one more speed, a higher speed. Oh, yeah, indexing the turret. And locking. Do one of the higher speeds. Okay, so you saw a bunch of variety of speeds. You saw all the movements of both heads and the movement of the rail. Hey, thank you for watching our video.